Hello guys, good day. It's me again, Teacher Koy of isipmathtutorial. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to install a application in our desktop or laptop. Yung tinatawag natin SHAREit, diba? Kasi mas madali po kasi yung makapag-transfer ng files. Working po ito sa ating desktop at saka sa ating mga laptops, okay, from our desktop or laptops to our mobile phones, or from our mobile phones to our desktop or laptop. Okay, so first i-install po natin siya. I will use Google Chrome browser. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so type lang natin dito SHAREit. Okay, tapos mag-search po si Google. So ito po. Okay, so SHAREit, download SHAREit app for Android, PC, and iOS. Okay, so click natin to. Okay, so tapos ito po yung makikita natin. Okay, so SHAREit, download SHAREit app for Android, PC, and iOS. Okay, click po natin si download. So ito na po, download SHAREit for Android, then download SHAREit for iOS, then download SHAREit for PC, and download SHAREit for Mac OS. So since I'm using Windows, so ito po yung gagamitin ko. Okay, download SHAREit for PC. So click lang natin to, download.exe file. So ito na po, dito sa baba, oh, nakikita natin dito, nag-download na po siya. Okay, so tapos na po. So click natin to. Okay, click lang natin yung run. Okay, ito. Accept. Then next. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay, next. Hintayin lang po natin na mag-finish na po siya, yung installation niya. Okay, so ito na po. Completing the SHAREit setup wizard. So launch SHAREit. So for me, pwede natin i-uncheck para hindi po siya mag-launch. Tapos click finish. Ito po sa ating desktop. Okay, nakikita natin ito yung SHAREit na icon. So click natin to. Let's try to share a files from our desktop to our mobile phone or mobile devices. Okay, so mas madali kasing gamitin itong SHAREit compare sa Bluetooth, kung merong Bluetooth yung ating laptop or PC. Okay, so click accept. Transfer files via SHAREit. Okay, any file format can be shared. Next, more features provided: remote view, PPT control, backup, play to. Okay, then cross-platform. Okay, check. Okay, so ito na po siya, SHAREit version 4.0. Okay, so try po natin mag-transfer ng file. So I am using now my Samsung mobile phone. So let's just wait for a few seconds. I-open ko po yung yung SHAREit ko sa aking mobile phone. Okay, so ito, gusto ko pong i-share itong media 1 na video papunta sa aking mobile phone. Okay, so dito sa aking mobile phone, click ko lang yung connect PC. Okay, tapos may nakalagay dito sa aking mobile phone na scan to connect or PC search mobile. So gusto ko i-scan po siya yung QR code. So click ko tong QR code sa aking PC, tapos i-scan ko sa aking mobile phone. Okay, so connecting na po siya. Okay, ito na po siya. So once makikita mo ito, so it means nakakonect na po yan doon sa ating mobile phone. Okay, so drag and drop files here to send. Okay, drag na lang natin to, media 1, drag natin to. Okay, so ito na po, sending na po siya. Diba? Mas madali siya. Oh, mas mabilis. Okay, so you can send pictures or any files. Okay, any format. Pwede. Okay, so tapos na po siya nag-send. So okay na siya, makita natin na yung check, yung kulay green tapos may check. So it means na-send na po niya. Okay, 63.6 MB in just I think 3 to 5 seconds lang ata yun. Tapos na. Okay. So, yan po yung SHAREit, kung paano po i-install at paano po mag-work yung SHAREit sa ating desktop or sa ating laptop. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.